Have you ever felt like you are drowning in your own thoughts, or are you struggling to keep up with all demands of life? You have so many ideas and so many things that you want to achieve, but you're stuck. Every day feels like a battle against procrastination. Your to do lists are endless, your mind is cluttered, and you felt like you were constantly spinning your wheels, but you never really getting anywhere. According to the Guardian article, we consume the equivalent of 174 full newspapers every single day. Can you imagine that? That's around 34 gigabytes of information floating in our brain daily. With all these informations coming at us, no wonder we feel overwhelmed, scattered, and sometimes paralyzed by it all. This was my situation 2 years ago. I knew I needed to change something that could help me organize my thoughts and stay on track. That's when I stumbled upon a book by Tiago Forte called Building a Second Brain. Second Brain is about creating a system that could mirror the way my mind worked, bringing order to my chaos. So I've been using Notion Second Brain template for 2 years now, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer for me. This tool has helped me to organize every aspect of my life, stay on track with my goals, and keep moving forward, even when things got tough. It's the secret weapon that kept me going and achieving. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works so you can start using it too. Let's dive in because this could be the solution you've been looking for. We gather informations to organize them effectively, helping us to achieve our goals and dreams. We apply the Para system, projects, areas, resources, and archives, which they represent the 4 key domains of our second brain. To begin setting up our second brain in Notion, we first need to examine the different areas of our lives. Areas or areas of improvements. These are ongoing commitments that don't have any specific end date, or what Tiago Fortes refers to as long-term responsibilities. This includes aspects such as personal finances, health and fitness, family and friends, hobbies. You can add as many areas as you like. To establish your own areas, consider this question. What areas of my life requires constant attention for me to feel happy and fulfilled in life? Next, let's go to the area page in our second brain, where you will list all your life areas in one central location. For example, when creating a new area, press on the blue button. A page will open up where you can name it, let's say personal growth, and select cover icon that represents it. Then you will use the rating property to assist your current status in that area on a scale from 1 to 10. Let's say we put 5. If it's a priority for this year, check the box to move it up in the wheel of life. I will show you the wheel of life later. So once the area is created, it will show relevant pages from other databases, and we will revisit this page later to see any updates. Now we go back to the home screen. After listing your life areas, scroll down to set up the resources and topics. Resources. Topics or interests you want to explore in the future but haven't turned into specific projects or areas yet. This contains examples you have gathered for inspiration, like cool website designs or home interior ideas, and actionable insights from YouTube or article you've encountered, such as keto diet. I recommend adding as many topics as necessary, referring to your notes and resources. To add a new topic, click the blue button, write down the topic, and you can choose an icon to represent it. Then related to an area, you can put more than 2 areas, personal growth and health and fitness. You can also add topics by clicking the plus button. After completing the topic addition, we can identify areas for improvement and set goals for them. For example, if I want to enhance my health and fitness, I would navigate to that area page. It opens up, we scroll down to goals and click the plus sign to add a new goal. I can set a goal like run 10 kilometers and establish a deadline next to it. There's a formula property that calculates the days remaining until the deadline, providing sense of urgency and motivation. So inside that goal page, you will find another database called key results. Key results. These are measurable outcomes required to achieve our goals. To add the key result, click on the empty row, give it a title, and fill in the relevant properties. We set the target to 5 as 5 kilometers, but I ran up until now 4 kilometers. So automatically will calculate the progress through this formula. You can update these numbers as you make progress. You can add as many key results as needed as long as they relate to your goal. So now let's break down our goals into actionable steps, either as projects or tasks. Projects. These are short-term objectives with deadlines like work assignment, planning a trip, starting a business, or learning a new language or a skill. Let's go ahead and navigate to the project page. Once it opens, you will notice that your projects are neatly sorted by their progress. This allows you to quickly see which projects are on track, which need attention, and which are completed. Scroll down and you will find another section where projects are organized by different areas of life. This is incredibly useful because it helps you align your projects with various aspects of your life, such as personal development, work, health, and whatnot. To add a new project, simply click the blue button at the top right corner. This will open a form where you can fill the project properties. Type the project name, learn Spanish for example. You can add description if you would like, put a start date and end date. Let's say after a couple of months, and relate it to an area. Let's say personal growth. Also, you can put a priority for it. Plus, you can add notes, resources, and tasks all under this specific project. Organizing these properties, it will help you to keep track of your projects more efficiently. So back to the home page, you can add tasks related to a project that related to an area. You can add tasks from the task page or from the quick capture. This works well when you are on the go using your phone or your tablet from anywhere. Go to the task page, add new task, type the task name, let's say enroll to a Spanish class, and then fill in the properties. Related to a project, this under Learn Spanish project. If you put a date for it, it will show on the calendar. Also, you will get a notification before the time if you set a reminder for it. Archives. Here you store completed projects, outdated areas of interest that are no longer a priority, and resources you do not plan to use anytime soon. So basically here everything has an archive box to keep your second brain setup more clean. For example, in any project, if you don't need it in the near future, just click the box and it will straight be moved to archives. Now for you to be able to do all of this and stay motivated, you need the goal tracker. This is the fuel station of your brain. It fills you with motivation and will give you a sense of manifestation. I'm giving this goal tracker template for free in the link in the description below because I feel like everyone deserves to change their life for the better and start their new year right. On the left side of the screen, you will see your life areas and their ratings from 1 to 10 and whether it's a priority for this year or not.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Let's stay focused. Log in, guys. Add a brief description under the vision inside the area page of what success looks like for you. For example, under health and fitness, you might write, I want to feel strong, energized, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. This helps you clarify your priorities so your goals align with what truly matters. On the right side of the screen, you will see a vision board setup because I believe visuals are powerful motivators. In Notion, you can embed inspiring images, quotes, or even videos that represent your dream life. For example, if one of your life areas is travel, add a picture of your dream destination. If it's a career, maybe include a picture of your dream office setup or a quote. You can put any quote, but please don't put live, love, love. No, it's just too much. Every time you open this page, you will get a burst of motivation to keep you going. Scroll down to see the goal database. Add another goal under health and fitness. For example, get in shape and put a deadline for it. Also, add the key results. For example, get a gym membership. This connection ensures your goals are purposeful and in harmony with your priorities. Now, this is the wheel of life I talked about earlier. You will see your life areas sorted according to their priorities. If it's a priority for this year, check the box to move it in the wheel of life. Lower ratings indicate higher urgency for improvement. Here in this row, I want you to press slash chart, choose a donut chart, or it's up to you. Then select the area database. You can choose what to show. Choose live areas. Scroll down to my yearly reflection. Here are prompts made for you to reflect on your past year. You will find the win and the losses. Under journaling prompts, there are unfinished sentences about the past year. Just fill it up. You can put live areas priorities for the coming year as well. Also, there is a prompt to help you to find your purpose in life. You don't need motivation if you are consistent and actually have purpose in life. So the lack of meaning and purpose will make you fragile to give up. Plus, if you like reading, you will find a book dashboard where you can put all the books that you are currently reading and the books that you wish to read in the future. And that's it. By organizing your life into areas, projects, resources, and archives, you will have clear, structured way to manage everything from day-to-day tasks to a long-term goal. The Notion Second Brain template is an incredible way to bring all aspects of your life in one easy to manage system. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, keep track of your personal growth, and get more organized, this template has you covered. If you find this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, where I'm going to show you how I manage my routine and finances.